So this was a Saturday afternoon in February, and I paddled out to the wreck about 150 yards out off the shoreline. And then I noticed that there was a couple guys on sailboats coming by. Whoa, this guy was right next to me. I don't know if you know anything about these sports cameras, but that guy was like right there. I could almost reach out and touch him. So these two guys, I guess, were following each other, and they used me as a buoy to turn around and then go the other direction up north. And here's the one sailboat. It had a couple people on it. They waved to me. And they all had their life jackets on. There's the sportier one. You can see there's a lot of seaweed out there. There's the other guy. They're going a little slow. Oh my gosh, there's the wreck again. Check it out. And oh, yep. Lots of seaweed. Lots of seaweed. And there he is. Yeah, that's the more sporty one. Check it out. This guy's got like, special sails. He's got a flag up there. But it's time for us to get our gear on and check out the wreck. Oh, there they are. They're going back up north. And let's take a look at the wreck of the Insolvent. It's right underneath us, right there. Bam.